tayo. Okay, ako ba? Okay, so, first and foremost, we would like to thank our God for allowing us, we thank the Lord for allowing us this wonderful celebration that we have. This place na ibigay niya, we always thanks the Lord for this. Grateful for God always provide us. And of course, hindi po mangyayari ang celebration without the support of each one. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. And of course, sa ating mga formation sector, nasaan? External A. Nasaan external A? Okay. External B. Oh, marami sila. Internal. And the council. How about the immediate leaders? Thank you so much. And of course, the Saints Catholic Group committees, the Eucharistic ministers, nandito po ba? Maraming salamat. The assurance. Thank you so much for being with us and your support. The projector. Thank you. The choir. The lectors at commentators. Ang isa, nakalimutan ko, the other server committee. Thank you for being with us there. And of course, ang ating mga bisita, would you like to please stand? Mga bisita natin today, our visitors. We will dumarating pa. We still have visitors coming. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much for
Our visitors, thank you so much for being with us this afternoon. Ayun na, masaya ba kayo? Nakatanggap kayo ng regalo? Amen. Nabusog tayong lahat, hindi mo ba? Number 22. Ay, green na naman. Ako na yan. Miss Norma Magbanua. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Last but not least.
Ay, naku, number 5. Parang ako na to. Number
O Gia.
Gi. Are you here, Gi? Tapos ang pinakahuli ay Ginger. Pinaka-last number 4. Gi, Ginger. Gigi Kaluya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ano ba? Pili ka ng number, pili ka. Okay! Yung mga hindi nabunod, pili ka ng number. Meron ako nabunod, next year na tayo. Congratulations to those who got the door prize. Very lucky you this year, you know? Kami sa next year ulit.
Share na lang kami.
Good luck to us. Practice na. Okay, bunot. Meron po tayo pa prize ha. Meron ako dito. Okay, kasi meron pa si Manulit. May pa prize ako dito. Tayo. Okay, green. We are holding the green color.
Oh. Wala.
Her name is
Green.
Marlene. 1. Marlene, ano? 2. Bala, ano to? Balawitan? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. Annalisa Bailon. 1, 2, 3. Next. This is from Sapa. Okay, next. From the choir. SMCG choir. Who is holding the pink color? Ate Sophia Tuban. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O, kita mo? Pag hindi ka aalis, meron kang prize. The last. The last but not the least.
Mayroon pa.
Okay, last. Angelica Mondihar. Erna Valbuena. Sino kaya to? J U L I E T A. Are you here? Julieta Meneses. Walay? Walay.
Walay.
Okay, green color.
Green pa rin.
Okay, siya. Norla Balbuena Mataya. Talaga rin sa Ayaw ka. Kaya na bunot niya.
Ako din.
Now, celebration. I hope you enjoy. Hindi lang sa mga natanggap ninyo na ano. How do you feel today? Happy. So once more, happy Merry Christmas to all. Again, happy Merry Christmas to all of us. And now, our next
New Year na.
is
Thank you for watching, and this is our trip in Macau, together my community in Hong Kong, and this is Boda in Hong Kong. Super gandang views and Muampua, Hong Kong, bagong dumaong sa lupa. Ito naman ang Chong Chau Island, dito lang yan sa Hong Kong, and dito naman ang amin first trip in China, Shenzhen, China mainland. Thank you for watching, bye!